Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Arch Linux packages with Pacman step by step clearly. Open your terminal. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Check for package updates by running the command sudo pacman. Enter your password when prompted. This command synchronizes the package databases and updates all installed packages. Once the process starts, you will see a list of packages that can be updated. Review the list carefully. If you wish to proceed with the updates, confirm by typing Y and pressing Enter. Pacman will then download the updates. This may take some time, depending on the number of packages and your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the installation will begin automatically. Monitor the terminal for any messages regarding the installation process. After the installation finishes, you may see a message indicating that the updates were successful. To ensure everything is up to date, you can run the command pacman. This command checks for any outdated packages. If there are none listed, your system is fully up to date. If you encounter any errors during the update, follow the prompts to resolve them. Consider rebooting your system if kernel updates were applied. Your Arch Linux system is now updated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.